What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, and on this week's episode of the How To Show, we are going to kill a bunch of time watching Netflix together. That's not actually what we're going to do, but we are going to find out a new way that I just learned about, and maybe you've heard of this before, but if you haven't, you can be entertained along with me. There is a better way to search Netflix than just scrolling and clicking over or using whatever device remote you have to just search and search and search. And in the meantime, we can listen in on David Spade. Maybe I'll turn the volume up on him as he's shimmying his hips. Who knows what he's talking about? But I have found out recently that there is a way to search Netflix, not by title, not even by actor, but by codes. Not all that different from the way that libraries organize their books or their movies, Dewey Decimal style. But basically, we'll flip over to a different screen here real quick. That NetflixCodes.com exists. And what this is the short form version to search for different categories of items on Netflix. And if we go all the way back to the top, the most common ones, or maybe this is in alphabetical order, you got Christmas movies, you got action and adventure, and inside each one of these categories, there's a code for the general category, and then a specific code for very niche types of items. Let's say you want to look for Westerns. That one's 7,700. There's anime, there's all different types of things. And the reason that I found this is because I was looking to find stand-up comedy. I like to watch stand-up. And so, I was scrolling through this option, and ultimately I came across stand-up comedy. I think it's at the bottom here. And all of the different codes that you have here can search to specific items within steamy romantic comedies. There's a good one. But yeah, right here, stand-up comedies 11559. So you go over to your Netflix, and this will look a little different when you do it on your computer, on your TV or whatever, but you go into your search bar and you just start typing in the code, and you get to 11559. And when you search for that, your search results come back with all of the stand-up comedies options that are on Netflix. And you can do this for a number of different items as well. We'll go back to the Codes website. Let's find something else to search real quick. Romantic dramas, 1255. Perfect. Let's go check it out and see if it works. 1255. You've got all of those look steamy, don't they? All of the romantic dramas that you can watch. And it's just a different way to organize the information. Probably an easier way for you to find out what you're looking for to watch if you're interested in specific things. And so use this to your advantage. Make sure you're getting the most out of your Netflix subscription, or your brother's Netflix subscription, or your mom's or your grandma's, because the likelihood of you buying one yourself is low. But that's a fun joke that Netflix will have to deal with some other time. In the meantime, now you can search better on the Netflix platform. That's going to bring this episode of the show to a close. Hopefully you got some value from that, and you can use the Netflix Codes website to search for Netflix items that may interest you a little easier than you could before, and maybe it shows you something that you wouldn't have found otherwise. Hopefully that's beneficial to you. Share this video with somebody you care about, or somebody that watches a lot of stand-up comedy like me. Hopefully they can benefit from it. And be sure to subscribe to know about the new videos that come out each and every Wednesday. That's still happening. You can hit the notification bell as well. If you've got any ideas for future topics on the show, let me know down in the comments below, and let me know if there's something special that you found out of the Netflix codes that was beneficial to you down in the comments too. As always, if you are looking to get into the real estate world by either buying or selling, I can help you do that. Get in touch with me in the comments or at indiedwell.com. Until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, signing off.